Hi friends, welcome back. After looking at the implementation of NOT gate and NAND gate, now let us see how NOR gate can be implemented. The NOR gate can be implemented using DTL circuit as shown. Now the two diodes are in the opposite direction as were used in NAND. Now how do they make the difference? So let us check out. So when both A and B are low, that means no current can flow through the two diodes, and hence there is no chance for any base current to flow, and therefore the transistor will be in cutoff. And because this is in cutoff, no current collector current is flowing, so no voltage drop across RC. Therefore, full VCC is available at V naught. Therefore, output will be 1. When A is 0, so no current flows through A, but B is 1. That means the voltage at B is high, and because of which current flows through this diode. And since current is flowing through this diode, there is a base current flowing through emitter base junction of the transistor, and hence the transistor gets into saturation and allowing saturation collector current to flow and making large voltage drop across RC, and therefore we get a very small voltage at output, which says it can be a 0. Okay, now A is 1, B is 0. If A is 1, then there will be current flowing through this diode, and that current can flow through the transistor, and hence there will be large collector current because transistor gone into saturation, and large voltage drop across RC, therefore a very small output, so it can be considered as a 0. When both A and B are 1, then this diode will be conducting, this diode is also conducting, and hence there will be a current flowing through base emitter junction, and hence there will be collector current under saturation, so large voltage drop across RC, so very small voltage at output, therefore we get a low at the output. So anything uh, clicks your mind? Yes, this combination 1000. Yes, definitely this is your NOR operation. So this circuit, a DTL circuit for NOR operation. Now how about OR? Yes, definitely the same logic can be applied. Just connect a NOT gate here, and you get, so this is OR, this is NOR. So this arrangement will ensure to get a NOR operation at this point, OR operation at this point. So using just diodes and transistors, that is diode transistor logic, DTL implementation, we can do NOR gate. So we have seen how a NOT gate can be implemented using a transistor, how NAND gate and NOR gates can be implemented by adding diodes to the transistor circuit, and along with a NAND and NOR, one more NOT gate connected will get us uh, and OR operations. So we know how to implement NOT gate, we know how to get AND gate, we know how to get OR gate, we know how to get NAND gate, we know how to get NOR gate. So from these preliminary gates, we can continue building higher versions like XOR gate, XNOR gates, and many more to come. So that's it for now, where we are working with diode transistor logic. It has got some problems. So to overcome these problems, we implement this version also using a transistor. So that is what we call transistor logic, that means TTL. So our next session we look how these gates can be implemented using transistor logic. So till then, take care, see you, bye.